Hello. Okay, so this is gonna be the demo video or video documentation for the proof of concept of the Raffle system that I'm gonna be making for the minting of the Bushido project. So a little bit of changes from the last code that I showed you. I added these wallets, Alice and Bob, and then this approval for the treasury so that the treasury can distribute the H bar to the random minter. And then I just added Volt and Alice to the whitelist so that Bob can mint the NFTs on the public price. So Volt and Alice should mint all their NFTs at 250 H bar each, and then Bob should mint the NFTs at 350 H bar each. And then every mint, the treasury should be sending 25 H bar to a random minter. And then the record will be saved here, so we will check here after the process is done, and then we will compare the results to the wallets of the accounts. So let's check the wallets first. I'm gonna refresh this one. This is the treasury wallet. I just burned all the NFTs, and then this is the Alice wallet, 8.5k H bar with no NFTs. Bob wallet, 7.9k H bar with no NFTs. And last is the Volt wallet, which has 11.2k H bar with no NFTs. So if you check the hash scan, everything is burned, and everything is burned. So we are ready to test the code for the Raffle system. I'm just gonna run node nft process.js, and let's just wait for the result. So minting, transferring. So as you can see on the left side, the hashcan is populating the minted NFTs. I'm still using the Hungry Baboons metadata because I'm a fan of the project, but I can't afford to get one. So I think the process is done. We're gonna terminate the process, and then let's check first the states. So if you can see on the history, the first address has 150 H bar reward. The second minter has the 75 H bar reward, and the last minter only minted 2, and since he is the last minter, which is Bob, he got 0. So if he's lucky enough, he might get 25 or 50 H bar. But you know, this system will reward the early minters, not the last minters. So if you see the Raffle, if you see the code, if you check the code here, Volt minted 5, Alice 3, Bob 2. So if you see the Raffle entries, Alice has 5 entries. I mean, Volt has 5 entries, Alice has 3 entries, then Bob has 2 entries. So each mint is an entry to the Raffle, and the system will pick randomly here. So let's confirm if this is right. Let's check the wallet of the treasury. Wait, treasury wallet. Treasury. And then let's check the history. So if you can see, if we check the process, 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago. So if you check this process, right, transfer to 50, which is to vault with the whitelisted price to 50, and then minus 25 H bar, and so on and so on and so on. Every transfer minus 25 H bar, every transfer minus 25 H bar. So it's sending 25 H bar to a random minter. Let's confirm that by checking the other wallets later. But if you can see, the last 2 mints is 350 H bar, which is Bob, and he's not whitelisted, so that is why 350 H bar is the price of the NFT minted. So we can confirm that by checking to Bob wallet's history. If we check his NFTs, he got 2 NFTs, and if we check the history, minus 350, minus 350, and he received nothing because he is an unlucky guy. If we check on Alice minted 3 NFTs with the 250 price here 4 minutes ago. If you check 250, he received 25 H bar randomly, and then minus 25, and then he received another 25 from the next mints. And if we check the vault, he has 5 NFTs as specified here. And then if we check the history, 5 minutes ago here, minus 25 was whitelisted price, 25, I mean 250, then plus 25, 250, plus 25, 250, plus 25, then, and so on. So the early you mint, the better. The more you mint, the better, because you'll have more entries. But the picking of the minter will be random, so the odds will be smaller when the minting goes on, which is better. But this raffle system will mainly incentivize or give rewards to the early supporters of the project. So yeah, I'm happy that this concept works, and it's working smoothly. As you know, I am the only developer for the Bushido project, so the progress of the project will be very slow because, you know, I have a life, I have a daughter that I need to take care of, I have to live in the real world, so I'm only coding in my pastime. I'm actually spending 2 to 3 hours a day to study Hedera SDK and Node.js and Express and Vue and everything. So yeah, I hope I can work full time, but I cannot. So this is the update that I can give you guys. Give me your thoughts on Twitter or whatsoever. If you guys want an AMA with me about the project or the plans, I can't give you everything about the plans that I have, but I can answer the things that I think I can answer. I can share the things that I can share. So yeah, just let me know if you guys want an AMA. That's all for now.